$115 now. Anybody got the project? $115 now. Anybody got the
200 bones.
Let's go, let's have an auction. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about, dude? No, you already in. $250 now. I'm going to get $250 now. I'm going to get $275. So $250, you got it. So $250. Give her a round of applause. 7-9. Thank you, man. Appreciate your business. 2.25 now. I'm going to get 50. I'm going to sell it. Anybody want the project? Check 2.25. $80.99. Let's go. Bring it up. Title in. You want to come out and look at the car? You can step out real quick. Anybody want to come out? Got it. All in, all done. Sold, $400. Sold, $400. Only got 126,000 miles on it. 55 doing a 2000 Mercury now. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm going to go 2,000 Mercury. Hey, come out and look at this car. If you came out for a clean rider, bid 550 now. I'm going to go 6 last car, clean car. You know what? Tell me where you got it. Chill. That's a buy. Let's go on the hook now. I'm going to get 2.6. The car? Check 375. $80.99. Let's go. What's that sound look like, James? Put it on the money now. We're thinking about now. I'm going to get 370 now. I'm going to all in, all down. 350 now. I'm going to get 375 now. I'm going to get 350 now. I'm going to get 375. Chill. 350. Chill. 350. What's your number?
Fucking dying.
Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? Protege. 2,000 miles of pay. 150 now. I'm going to get 2. Let's go. We're selling the car fast. 150 now. I'm going to get 2 now. I'm going to go 150 now. I'm going to get 2. Anybody got the project? Last car. 150 now. I'm going to get 2. Shit. 150, $80.99. Let's go. Get me a car. I'm going to go Grand Prix. Come on out and look at it. If you're going to look at it, I'm going to go quarter. You know what I think? You're going to go take the car out. Get it out. I'm going to go 4 now. I'm going to go 4 now. I'm going to go quarter. Last car. Look at the car. $425. Last car. Take it out. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here? Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? I'm going to sell it. Get 700 now. I'm going to go. This is a buy. You're not looking. This guy stole it. Sold it $700. I'm going to get 375 now. I'm going to go 4 last call. Sold 375, $80.99. Let's go. I'll sell my ad, but I can't give the cars away. So get your hands in the air. All in, all done. Sold 275. Sold 275. Thank you, sir. How many people just came out for the taco? Security. Let's go. Title in, D15. Only got 126 on the miles. Bid 04 now, bid 78. Title in, left 4. Bid 400 now, bid 400 now, bid quarter now, bid 4 now, bid quarter. All in, all done. Last call. OG. I don't know if I can sell it that cheap. Call Metro. You stole it.
Tacos on me. Tacos on me, baby. You got your ticket?
You got your ticket?
You got your ticket, they on me now.
Hey, that's funny.
Oh, okay. I might just buy 2 cars today with that deal. Hello? With title in hand, homie?
In hand, can sell it right now.
Well, you know where that's going.
You stole it. $700. $700.
They getting some deals today, boy.
Go ahead, Joey.
Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about?
Let you go.
Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Let's go. Hold on, power. I got the roast to roast. All right. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? 94,000 miles. 94,000 miles. I'm going to go 475. I'm going to go 450 now. I'm going to go 475 now. I'm going to go 450 now. Okay, now I'm going to go, let's go. 2.25 now. I'm going to go 50, take the project. 2.25 now. I'm going to go 50. Last call. 2.25. $80.99. the toys. 19 now with the toys. Time to go now. Hey, come look at this figure. There's a little bang there. There's a tequila kick. It is definitely a tequila kick. It's not a tequila kiss. It's a kick. No, I got the two. I got the two loose. I do the 2 1/4. I do hip loose 2 1/4. The 2 1/4 now with the 50 out in our down last call. So 2 1/4. Let's go. Let's go now. What are you thinking about here? 2 1/4 now with the 50. I'm going to take the project down for 250. I'm selling the car. 2 1/4 now with the 50. So 2 1/4. 80.99. Leave this away. This is a classic.
I ride it just like this.
The choke still sticks on the vacuum advance, but besides for that,
It's got that bad engine. It's got the engine that was special. Literally. It was the top of 19 now with the 50. All in, all down. Last call, 19. Shit. Wait, are you bidded? Are you bidded? Are you bidded? I don't know, bid 19 now with the 19. Shit, $1,900. $2,002.
$1,900.
$1,900. 2002. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm gonna go. Let's go. I don't know, put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm gonna go. Let's go. Let's go. Thinking about that. I don't know, put 200 now. I'm gonna put 2 now. I'm gonna put 2 1/4. Take it out. Everybody about the project. Shoot 2 1/4. Shoot 2 1/4. I don't know, bid 80.99. Let's go. Bring it up, dog. Hey, we're giving away money at the end of the show. We're going to make cash envelopes. Could have $1 in there, could have 2. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm going to get BMW. BMW. Let's go. Put it on it. Put it on the money now, we got a few miles, a little over 2. Put it on the money now, we're thinking about Dana now, we're going to 05 BMW Dana. Put it on the money now, we're thinking about here now, we're going to let's go. Get 800 now, we're going to 8 now, we're going to 9 now, we're going to 8 now, we're going to 9 now, we're going to 8 now, we're going to 9.
oh, so you want 8.5?
I
got that too. I'm good. I'm happy right now.
$9 1/4. All in, all down. Last call. Got it. So $900. So $900. Give him a round of applause. Let's save the time. 99, 175 now. We're going to go 2. Everybody got the project. Sell the car. So 175. 99. Let's go. Give it up. Listen up. We don't have a lot of cars left. Stick around. We'll give it away. Some envelopes at the end of the side. Sunroof, leather, beamer.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, the hood. Oh yeah, this one pretty cool on me. It's a little latch right here.
Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm going to get 2,000 now. I'm going to get BMW now. I'm going to get 220 Ti.
Bentley limo. Bentley limo.
775 is 850. 750 now. I'm going to get 775. All in, all down. Last call. Sold it. You missed it. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? Hey, listen up. Blast from the past.
That's an old one truck.
Blast from
Sure,
the
it's
past.
clean.
1987.
What about it?
Last call, 450 now, gonna go 475. You stole it. So.
That was a deal. That was a deal. That was a deal.
Rock and roll, baby. Molly Crew.
Motley Crue, I'm fucking dying.
No. Twisted Sisters.
Oh man, that was a deal, boy.
Molly Crew.
That was a deal.
2000.
He's back. 1950, 1975, got it. $2,000. Yes, Jesse, got it. Now we're going to 2025. 2050, last call, gotta go. I said so. So. I started my ass, bro.
Yeah. Damn.
3533.
That's cold, Red. That's cold, brother.
I started the show. I gotta stick with the integrity. Sorry. You know I love him. You know what you're thinking about now. But I always remember that car. I don't know put it on the money.
Oh, catch me picking you up in this though.
Right.
I'll be opening it.
Bentley limo.
That's what I'm saying.
There you go. Big 25 minutes. Got it.
This motherfucker right here is so clean. This shit clean as fuck.
Classic car, blast for the past, one of a kind. 99 Honda Pilot.
Look at that motor. That thing clean. That shit look brand new under there. Man. That shit look brand new under there. Yeah, no, you good. Wow. That was a deal.
What do you have to say today, James? So. Yeah, I tried it.
That shit is clean.
I'm gonna get 1975. I'm gonna sell $2,000. I'm gonna get 2,000. I'm gonna get 2,000. I'm gonna go run in 1975. I'm gonna get 1975. I'm gonna get 2. I'm gonna go 1975.
The deal.
Hey guys, listen. You stop 575, I'm gonna go 60s at 575. You're at 575, new money at the wire. All in, all day, last call, 575, I'm gonna go 6. Last call, short 575, 2013, AM. Same place, different days, stick and stay, something like that. Let's go, 2,000 cash. 200.
Fat water pump.
Yeah. You want to stick to the other one?
No, it's not. Yeah.
She got it. Wait, you're in the boat.
Whoops.
You're selling the car in the boat.
Right.
Yeah, you want to pay for 500. It's still in her 500.
Right. For sure.
Rock and roll.
Give us a shout out. Tell them how good of a deal you got.
Come on, at 300. The exhaust don't know where that's coming from.
OG and rock and roll. We got 2 celebrities in the crowd today. We got OG and
$300.
Gosh, how can you not buy that for $325? And they also had a bottle. Got it back to 650. Let's go. Gotta go, James. 650 now. We're going to get 650. Yes or no? Yes or no? All done. So, behind me. 6 and a quarter. So, 6 and a quarter. Thinking about now, I'm going to go. Let's go. I'm going to go out to 5. 250 now. I'm going to go 275. Even with the miles. 250 now. I'm going to go 275. 250 now. Last call. Bid 575 on the seller. Bid 575. Check the other guy, James. 575 now. I'm going to go 6. Bid 575 now. I'm going to go 6. All in, all done. Bid 575 now. I'm going to go 6. Going. Sold. 575. You got it.
575.
Watch yourself. Driver, be safe. Put your seatbelts on. Hold on.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Most of the cars here went super cheap today. I'm freaking mind blown like how cheap the cars went today, man. I'm kind of upset I bought that car at Copart. You know, I could have bought like 3 or 4 cars here today, but it is what it is. So as always, be easy, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.